Well, this is an issue that has actually been on the forefront of many manufacturers that I have spoken to for the Industrial Data Summit that will be taking place in London on the 18th of April. I've received quite a lot of feedback from it. For example, Andrew Carell, he is the head of engineering and manufacturing over at Airbus. He said that he would like to understand what data to collect and how to get value add from it. So driving insight through the data that you have, not just having a gut feeling with your business and moving it forward. We actually want to know the data we have and how we can use it to drive your business forward. Over at BAE Systems Maritime, Andrew Carr, he is the chief engineer. He said that he wants to understand how to collect data from a variable of systems. So whether that be your legacy system or whether that be one of your newer machines, how are we going to connect it all together to get value from that? So clearly we can agree that there is an issue when it comes to using data and how to use it and collect data and gain insight from it. However, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. So if you believe that you have some of the issues or even have some of the solutions, for more information, click the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in April in London.